takes it.
Then she sticks it in her wing. Like right there. I want it right there. It must be how they carry all their things back to the nest. And then she keeps dropping hers.
Yeah.
You want it right there. And you lost the other one.
Oh, you got screwed up on that one. It folded on you.
That's okay, she's getting in the middle. She didn't
You
take
got it.
So weird. Tucks it all in. I think she likes it better when it's double.
Mm-hmm.
See, she
It's
started on that
easier.
one and it was single. Nope, nope, nope. Put it in there. You missed.
I don't know how she flies back to the nest and it stays with her though.
I don't know.
And then we'll fold in from this one.
Instinctually, she knows I need strips because then you can weave the strips.
Yeah, into a nest.
And I'm going to put you right there while I get some more. And you missed. But instead of picking up the one she already did, she will get some more.
Well, because it's like so much there, it's like thinking this is like a nest heaven.